Tsaka ladies, hindi kami titigasan sa karir mo. Why it's so rude when you ask women age? And why it's so rude when you ask men salary? Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Sublado Moto. Okay, for tonight's vlog, let's talk about women don't know how to attract men.
How dare you?
Ladies, pinag-aaralan nyo ba how to attract men? Or do you put any effort to attract men? Most women right now, they want to be successful like men. What? But do you think you will attract men with your career?
How dare you?
Ask yourself, why I have all of these things but I don't have any boyfriend? What? Why I have this kind of career but I still don't or can find a boyfriend? Why? It's because you don't know how to attract men.
How dare you?
Hindi nyo alam or wala kayong idea kung paano ma-attract ang isang lalaki. We don't care of your career. What? We don't care how much money you make. What? Because number one, you guys never taking care of us. Gets? So why would I care kung malaki kinikita mo? Why would I care kung doktor ka at lawyer ka na malaki sahod mo, malakas ka kumita, kung at the end of the day you will not take care of me? Walang pinagkaiba yan kung marami kong collection ng NBA cards na nagkakahalaga ng 10 milyon. It doesn't benefit you at all if I have the NBA cards worth of 10 million pesos. So ladies, hindi nyo po alam how to attract men. Yes, I know you also want to have a freedom. However, habang tumatagal, you are sabotaging your own future relationship. Ano ibig sabihin doon? Because most of successful women are very combative, very opinionated, and they always feel entitled. Imagine this, hindi ka pa successful, entitled ka na. How much more pag may career ka pa?
How
Diba?
dare you?
Tsaka ladies, hindi kami titigasan sa karir mo. Pag nakita kita sa club, ang una ko mapapansin sa'yo is your ganda, is your katawan, yung beauty mo, yung curve mo. Yun ang una ko mapapansin sa'yo. The way you talk, the way how you dress, the way how you walk. Yun ang mapapansin ko sa'yo. Hindi ko isipin na lawyer ba to? Attracted ako sa lawyer eh. Ha? Hindi ganoon. Hindi ko rin tatanungin kung summa cum laude ka. Hindi ko rin tatanungin kung mataas ang sahod mo. Eto guys, why it's so rude when you ask women age? And why it's so rude when you ask men salary? Di ba? Kasi doon natin ibabase kung anong klase yung pagkatao ng isang babae na to at kung ano ang kayang i-provide ng lalaki na to. Gets mo? Because we are biologically hardwired to find yung certain characteristic na hinahanap natin sa isang babae. Kaya nga, most guys are interested or more attracted with younger women because that's ingrained sa aming brain na maghanap ng babae na talagang nasa prime, or we are more attracted sa mga babaeng nasa prime.
How dare you?
Oh, bakit nag-workout naman ako? I'm 30 but I look 25 and dahil nagkakamali na ganito edad ko. Well, good for you. Alam ko, nasabi ko na to sa ibang vlog ko. Imagine mo pag mayroong mapapanis na pagkain sa rep nyo or matagal na nandun at nakita mo may expired na in 2 weeks, anong ginagawa mo? Kinakain mo kagad, diba? Kahit busog ka pa, kakainin mo na, sayang eh, diba? Since nabili mo na ang mahal-mahal, so kakainin mo talaga or minsan tatapon mo na. Kasi ganito yan ladies, imagine mo, natupad mo yung pangarap mo na mag-i-enjoy yung buhay mo, maging maging strong independent women. So ngayong nasa 30 plus ka na, nararatal ka na, nagmamadali ka na. Ako naniniwala ako, women change their mind when they reach 30. Na yung sinasabi nila, no, hindi ako mag-aanak. Hindi ko kailangan mag-anak. Okay na ako sa pa-travel. Oh, really? We'll see. We'll see when you reach 30 plus. Tsaka mo sabihin yan na ayaw mong magkaanak. Kung sa lalaki, yung hindi ka maging successful is a failure. When it comes to women na hindi nagkaroon ng anak, ganun din yung pwede nilang ma-feel sa sarili nila. Because you are a woman, the greatest gift that you can give into this world is to have a child. But like I said, you have the right na hindi magkaanak. And ito, ulitin ko. So imagine 30 plus ka na and the guy is already 40. So gusto niyo na magkaanak. Sino mas stressful? Di ba kayong dalawa? Kaya nga marami na 30 plus na hindi na nagkakaanak kasi nga they are both stressful, and at the same time yung excel ng babae ay nahihirapan na. So imagine mo yun. Actually, hindi kami mahirap i-attract. The problem is most of women don't know how to attract men. Kaya ako ipipilit nyo yung profession nyo, yung career nyo is ma-attract nyo ang isang lalaki. No.
How dare
The
you?
only guy that you can attract with your profession is those guys that want to smash you. Kasi most of guys na talagang wants to have a relationship or wants to settle down with a woman, wants to have a family, is hindi pipili ng babae na masyadong importante sa kanya yung career.
How dare you?
Because most guys don't look for a career woman. They're looking for a woman that can take care of their child and family. Okay? So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. And bye-bye!